Hello, we are PermaDrain and we're demonstrating now how to install a low pro locking dome strainer in a more shallow PVC floor sink. Our low pro locking dome strainer is a perfect choice for any PVC floor sink, especially those that tend to be more wide than they are deep. First, we choose the correct gasket to install in the correct pipe that you're working with. This gasket is marked for PVC. As you can see, we're working with PVC pipe here. Prior to installing your gasket, it is a good idea to clean out the drain opening using some type of acetone. That will remove any buildup or scum that has acquired over time through use of the floor sink, making sure that you have clear contact between the gasket and the pipe. Install the gasket inside the drain opening, pushing here below the lip of the floor sink to make sure it's making clear contact with the pipe. Next, you use our patented cross strainer, which is tapered and threaded, to push in 360 degrees of pressure against the gasket, locking the cross strainer in place. As you see here, you can get it pretty tight by hand. It's always a good idea to use our PermaDrain installation tool to secure a tight fit in every application. Once the cross strainer is tight, simply grab your low pro locking dome, place it over the drain opening, align the center anchor point here with the center anchor point in the cross strainer. And then simply lock down your dome using the security bit provided. Once your dome is locked down and secure, no fine debris will make its way inside your drain opening. And then to determine the proper size safety basket, simply measure across the top of your locking dome to achieve the proper width that you would like. You can measure higher if you'd like the basket to sit along the rim, or measure lower if you would like the basket to sit clearly across the top of the locking dome strainer. As you can see here with this type of floor sink, a 10-inch basket fits perfectly. Using the low pro locking dome strainer also allows you to replace your drain grate to avoid any trip hazards if this floor sink happens to be in a walk area.